Bow windows. Pell City offers a unique opportunity to enhance your home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With custom bow windows Pell City, you can transform your living space, adding both style and energy efficiency. Our bow window contractors in Pell City are experts in delivering top-notch bow window services, ensuring that your installation process is smooth and hassle-free. Energy-efficient bow windows Pell City are a smart investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Our bow window experts in Pell City can guide you through the various bow window options available, helping you choose the best energy-efficient bow windows for your needs. Custom bow windows Pell City allow you to personalize your home's design. With a variety of bow window styles and materials to choose from, you can create a look that perfectly complements your home's architecture. Our bow window design experts in Pell City will work with you to develop a custom solution that meets your specific needs and preferences. Bow window installation cost in Pell City can vary depending on several factors, including the size and complexity of the project. Our bow window installation company in Pell City provides detailed bow window estimates to help you plan your budget effectively. We are committed to offering competitive pricing without compromising on quality or service. Bow window enhancements in Pell City can significantly improve the functionality and appearance of your windows. From advanced bow window glass options to innovative bow window frames, we offer a range of bow window upgrades to suit your needs. Our bow window solutions in Pell City are designed to enhance your home's value and curb appeal. Bow window consultation in Pell City is the first step in achieving the perfect window solution for your home. Our knowledgeable team will assess your needs and provide expert advice on the best bow window features and benefits for your property. We are dedicated to delivering personalized bow window services that exceed your expectations. Bow window installation process in Pell City is streamlined to ensure efficiency and quality. Our experienced bow window contractors in Pell City follow a meticulous approach to guarantee a flawless installation. We use only the highest quality bow window materials to ensure durability and long-lasting performance. Bow window styles in Pell City offer a wide range of design possibilities. Whether you prefer a traditional or contemporary look, our bow window experts in Pell City can help you find the perfect style to match your home's aesthetic. We are committed to providing bow window solutions that enhance both the beauty and functionality of your home.